Huangpu Wenchong is one of the largest shipyards of the China State Shipbuilding Corporation, mainly building a range of ships including naval ships, government-owned vessels, military ships, and commercial cargo ships. The shipbuilding industry in China is currently facing serious market conditions. New orders of ships are sluggish while shipbuilding costs are high. In recent years, technology advancements and innovations have become the biggest driving forces of Huangpu Wenchong's development. Our digitalization program essentially builds on Dassault Systèmes' 3DEXPERIENCE platform to develop and deploy an efficient shipbuilding management system that integrates design, management, and production.
We have restructured the design and building business processes on the basis of the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. We also have applied optimized production for C, the production preparation module based on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform, to our design processes.
In the 2,700 TEU container ship program that started on September 2, 2016, we have used the 3DEXPERIENCE platform with up to 102 designers involved.
We use Design for C for electrical and fluid systems design so that the designers of these disciplines can work simultaneously with structure designers. Leveraging the ergonomics module of the 3DEXPERIENCE platform, we successfully simulated the equipment repair space and the space of special paths during the process of design, so that the compliance of the design was validated and the design process was optimized.
In the past, Huangpu Wenchong used hundreds of disconnected software systems for design, production, and management work. The 3DEXPERIENCE platform provides a single data source, and all processes are based on the same platform, providing a solution for us to tackle those problems that have been troubling us for a long time. Huangpu Wenchong hopes to leverage 3DEXPERIENCE platform as a smart manufacturing platform for our company to improve efficiency and quality.